Unveiling a game-changing development, the Iraqi Dinar IQD and Vietnamese Dong VND currency revaluation process has long been a topic of speculation, anticipation, and frustration for individual investors worldwide. For years, holders of these currencies have eagerly awaited a formalized, transparent, and secure means to convert their holdings at official contract rates, often being left in the dark by rumors and misinformation. But now, with the revelation of Tier 4B secret codes, everything has changed. This development represents a seismic shift in the global currency exchange process, one that promises to directly benefit individual investors by offering verified, secure access to the revaluation system. 1. The historical context. Understanding the currency revaluation process to appreciate the full significance of this development, it's important to understand the structure that has governed the revaluation of currencies on a global scale. The process has traditionally been divided into distinct tiers. Tier 1, sovereign nations and global financial entities. Tier 2, institutional investors, such as large banks and investment funds. Tier 3, structured collective investor groups with high asset thresholds. Tier 4, individual investors who hold verified currencies but have had limited access to the revaluation process. Historically, individual holders of currencies like IQD and VND have been relegated to the bottom of this hierarchy, often waiting in uncertainty as larger, more powerful entities moved ahead in the currency revaluation process. 2. The emergence of Tier 4B. What it means for individual investors, the introduction of Tier 4B marks a critical turning point for everyday currency holders. Until now, individual investors with legitimate currency holdings were left without a clear pathway to access the revaluation process. The reported Tier 4B secret codes provide a formalized system that grants individual investors secure, verified access to the process, eliminating the uncertainty and confusion that has plagued this community for years. What are Tier 4B codes? Tier 4B codes are specialized, secure, bank-verified identifiers that allow individual investors to authenticate their currency holdings and schedule their redemption appointments. These codes are designed to streamline the process, making it far more efficient and transparent. The role of the codes: securely confirm holdings, authenticate the legitimacy of the currency, grant access to official contract rates, which are often significantly higher than market rates. 3. The authentication process. How Tier 4B codes work. The process for utilizing these codes is a detailed, multi-step system designed to ensure security and efficiency. Step 1. Code delivery. Each eligible investor will receive a unique Tier 4B code. This communication will be sent through secure, encrypted channels to ensure confidentiality and authenticity. Step 2. Appointment confirmation. After receiving the code, investors will be instructed to confirm their scheduled visit to a redemption center or participating bank. This step helps prioritize investors, ensuring they receive the attention and resources necessary for swift processing. Step 3. Verification. Upon arrival at the redemption center, the investor will present their Tier 4B code for immediate verification. This step ensures that only legitimate currency holders are granted access to the official contract rates and payouts. Step 4. Rate assignment. Once verified, the investor's holdings will be assigned the official contract rates, which are typically higher than street rates. This ensures that investors are receiving fair and favorable exchange terms. Step 5. Cash out or structured payout. Finally, investors can choose between an immediate cash payout or a more structured, long-term payout plan, depending on their financial goals and needs. 4. The security and transparency of Tier 4B processing. One of the key benefits of the Tier 4B system is its emphasis on security and transparency. Previously, individual investors faced the risk of fraud, confusion, and administrative errors. The introduction of secure, bank-verified codes reduces these risks and ensures that all transactions are handled with the utmost care. Why the security is crucial. The high-value nature of currency revaluation makes it an attractive target for fraudulent activity. The introduction of these codes ensures that only legitimate investors are able to participate, protecting the integrity of the system. By integrating these codes into the existing banking infrastructure, the process is streamlined and verified, eliminating the need for intermediaries or speculative dealings. 5. The psychological impact. Empowering investors. For many individuals who have invested in IQD or VND, the Tier 4B activation represents the end of years of speculation and uncertainty. The codes provide tangible access to a process that was once considered exclusive to institutional players and high-net-worth individuals. From uncertainty to empowerment, the ability to securely confirm holdings, verify appointment times, and access official contract rates provides a sense of empowerment that has been sorely lacking in the individual investor community. No longer are these holders left to navigate a maze of rumors and unverified information. Instead, they are given a clear, actionable pathway to access their funds at favorable terms. 6. The global financial landscape and the timing of Tier 4B codes. The timing of this announcement is also highly significant. Financial analysts have noted that large-scale financial events often align with fiscal cycles and global liquidity movements. The rollout of the Tier 4B codes coincides with these cycles, suggesting that the banking system is preparing for a massive influx of individual investor activity. Alignment with major fiscal cycles. As we approach the final quarter of the fiscal year, the global financial system often experiences major shifts. The introduction of Tier 4B codes signals that the system is not only prepared, but ready to process a high volume of transactions at scale. 7. The future of currency revaluation. What's next for investors? While the Tier 4B activation represents a major milestone, it is just one step in an ongoing process. The final outcomes will depend on how effectively the system is implemented and how individual investors respond to the opportunity. Ongoing monitoring. Investors will need to stay vigilant and continue monitoring their registered contact channels to ensure they don't miss their window of opportunity. The timing of code delivery and the scheduling of appointments will be crucial factors in securing access to the system. Potential risks and rewards. While the system promises high-value returns, there are still risks associated with any financial endeavor. Investors should carefully evaluate their options and consult financial advisors to determine the best course of action. 8. Conclusion. The end of speculation and the dawn of a new era. The activation of Tier 4B secret codes represents a monumental shift in the world of currency revaluation. For individual investors holding IQD, VND, or similar currencies, this new system offers transparency, security, and direct access to a process that has long been shrouded in mystery and speculation. The financial world is poised for a transformative change, and for many, the time has finally come to realize the value of their investments. Final thoughts. The Tier 4B activation provides a long-awaited path for everyday investors to participate in currency revaluation. By offering secure, verifiable access to the process, this new system not only empowers individual currency holders, but also sets a precedent for future financial transparency. The impact of this development will resonate across global financial systems for years to come, creating opportunities for a new class of investors who once felt excluded from the benefits of major currency revaluations. Disclaimer: all content provided by IQD Global Intel is for educational and informational purposes only. We are not financial advisors and do not provide investment, trading, or banking advice. Viewers should always conduct their own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any financial decisions.